This is a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Washington, Anne Arundel County, Calvert County, and Prince George County, effective until 8:42 p.m.